Welcome back to Quick Oil and Brake, guys. Today I'm replacing ABS module, and this flare nut has seized, so I'm providing the heat, and basically these two 12 millimeter and a 410, you have to remove the lines and holding the bracket. One bolt over here, one is right there, and one is behind this one. This side is you just need to use the bolt, and it's gonna be come out the bracket. I'll show you how. So after I apply heat, now it's get loose. I lose all 12 millimeter and 10 millimeter. Before you remove the bracket, you have to make sure all get loose. And we're gonna remove these, and this one you have to remove to get some clearance to take the module out. I'm gonna show you. So now I'm using this one. It's a lot easier to remove these. Okay. I already removed this. Now I'm removing this one. You have to just make sure before you losing these, you don't need to remove the bracket bolts, because otherwise it's gonna be very tough for you to remove these lines bolts. And to losing these, always use this wrench, not this. I lose with this one, and using this one to open easily. Okay, as you see, I already removed all the lines, remove the bolt, and now after this one, it's a little bit still hot. Let me give a little more time to get cold, so then I'm gonna remove the module out. Okay. You have to take out very carefully. Alright. This portion, you see, I already removed. I sent the module for a repair, and the module came back, and I'm gonna show you how to install this one. It says, and this one I send for a repairing, and they open from this side to repair. So I'm gonna install this one, and I'll show you how to install this one. When you open this one, there's a two prong normally connect over here, and sometimes they come out along with this one. So when you're sending this unit, make sure you take off these from this side, and when you're installing this one, you have to make sure you install this way. Okay, as you see, I insert the pins properly. You can see how they is fit. So this is the way you insert the pins first. This portion goes on the pin side, this one goes right over here. So you have to give a little bit of time to align. Little by little you have to apply the force. Okay, it's fit nice and properly. Now we're gonna install these four small bolts over here. These screws goes here. These are like this. I'm going to show you what's the size of these screws. This is a T20 torque bit. I'm using one, and the other side we're gonna tie it with a crisscross pattern. Just a little bit snugging right now. I'm not tightening. Okay, we're gonna now tie it about 8 foot-pound. I'm not using a torque wrench, just tightening with an idea. Okay. That's it. Okay, this is done. So now it's time to install the module. Before we install this one, I remove this one, the bracket, and I have to install the bracket first. That's it. A little bit more. Okay. Okay, I installed the module and all the 2 screws installed. Now I'm gonna install this one. First we have to put this one, the line, and very carefully you have to align the threads. Don't do the cross threading. Okay, I'm gonna do one by one, and once the couple of threads goes easily inside, then we're gonna start tightening the bolt. Okay, I tied a little bit with this wrench, so then I'm gonna tie it properly with the other one. Same thing. Okay, now I have to use this one. These are, you have to tie it properly, because kind of we don't need to lose this one to bleed the ABS module. These are, we're gonna tie it a little bit, but not too tight, because we have to one by one open for a ABS module bleeding. I'm gonna show you in this video how to bleed ABS module bleeding. 3 times. Now I'm bleeding. I already bleed this one. And hold. Keep holding. Okay, release and push 3 times and hold. Hold. Okay, release. This side is also done. Now I'm gonna tie it properly. Okay, Release and press 3 times and hold. Okay, release and 3 times and hold. Release. Press 3 times and hold. Okay, release and 3 times push and hold. That's it. Okay. Bleeding process is complete, and we have to tie it properly. And I'm gonna clean this one. Okay, as you see, I clean with a brake cleaner and with a compressor air. It's totally dry, and I have to put this connect with the ABS module, and I already blow the air inside this to making sure there's no any brake cleaner reservoir remaining. So I'm gonna let this dry a little bit, and then I'm gonna connect this one, and after that one, before we start, I'm gonna clear the ABS module code, and then everything is gonna be done. And I hope you like this video. If you like, please don't forget to like my video, and if you are new on my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and hit on a bell icon so you can see my future video. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye, take care.